Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Liz Rose. I do makeup tutorials and stuff like that on here. So if that's something you are interested in watching, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. And also let me know down below anything you want me to create or recreate or do. I am thinking of doing a holiday series because I am going on holiday soon, so let me know down below if you want to see that from me, and it will be up reasonably soon. So yeah, without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have just a plain white background today. I know it's got the dents in it and stuff, but I'm working it out, and I am going to get a light soon to put behind me to brighten this up, but today we're just going to deal with it. I have a neon look for you, as you can probably tell. I'm using the Coloured Rain Vivid Pigments and Shadows palette, and then I'm going to be using a neon pigment, as you can see. Simple look today, but I wanted to go colourful, as you can actually obviously tell. But I'm going to take the Revolution Cut Crease canvas in the shade Illustrate, and I'm going to pop this on my lid. I'm just going to carve out my eyebrows. I have done my eyebrows slightly different today. I used the Colourpop brow pencil in Bangin' Brunette. I quite like it, how it's turned out. I normally do like the harsh Instagram brow, but today I couldn't find my pomade, so I'm using this just to switch it up a bit, of course, and they just look a little bit more natural and fluffy, which I'm actually liking. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take the shade Squad, the dark green in the palette, and I'm going to take that in the crease. These aren't the most pigmented eyeshadows I have ever used, but they work nice, I suppose. This is just going in the crease, like I said. Now I'm going to go into Level Up, which is the lighter green shade. Again, not the most pigmented shades, but I'm just going slightly on top of the darker green and then slightly off. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is cut the half cut crease. So I'm going to go in with the Revolution Cut Crease canvas again, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, and of course just take product on my flat brush and cut the crease. What I'm going to do is put some on my lid, and I'm going to look up, and it's going to create the line for me. Okay, so next I'm going to take a loose pigment from Lynn's Looks, I think it's called Lynn's Looks, yeah. I'm taking the neon yellow shade, and I'm placing that all over the lid, of course. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go back into the dark green and go on the outer corner. I will clean it under my eyes, but I'm just going to do this step first. And then I'm going to go into the lighter green and just blend that a little bit more. Okay, so what I'm also going to do is put the neon pigment in my waterline. Just be careful when doing this because obviously it's a powder, you don't want it getting in your eye. Now I'm going to clean up under my eyes. Okay, so now for the face. I will do my eyes in a second. I just like to do it after I've done my face so I don't get like any loose face powder on my eyelashes and stuff like that. So first I'm going to go in with primer. I've been loving the Revolution Hydrate primer recently. Just looks like this. It's really liquidy, but I feel it goes well on my skin. It hydrates my skin as well because I do have quite dry skin. Then for foundation, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's in the shade Nude, but I am going to add some lightening drops because it is darker than my skin tone right now. I really wanted to try this out again because I've heard a lot lately about it, so yeah. Oh my god, I hear a plane. That's going to be me in a few weeks. I'm going to take that on a sponge. I am very surprised with that foundation. I might consider putting that in my kit. Very nice. Okay, so then concealer, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 05. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this foundation. It's gone on really nicely. I think it would suit all skin types, which is great. I think I did a review video on this foundation. I just haven't used it in a while. I should probably use it. I think I might start using like one foundation a week and trying to like use it up because my foundation collection is quite large and I need to use them up. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to take cream contour. I always remember these days, which is good. I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I have heard a lot of people don't like this, but I do. Okay, so I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. So next I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05 Fair. I'm going to set under my eyes and in the areas I need it. I am loving my base. Okay, so then next I'm going to go in bronzer. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So yeah, it's just the milk one, the lightest one. Where's my brushes? It still smells good. So I'm just going to lightly dust this on my face. Now I'm going to go in with blush quickly. I'm going to take the Milani Luminoso blush. Just a hint, slight pink hint. What? A slight hint of pink. So now I'm going to set my face with a little bit of the All Star Setting Spray by Colourpop. I'm absolutely loving my base. Okay, so then I'm going to take the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. Really nice, wet looking highlight this is. It's like a subtle highlight. Okay, so moving back onto the eyes. I need to put some lip balm on. Okay, so under the eyes, I'm going to take the dark green and put it under on the outer part. I think I am going to go back in with some of the yellow pigment in a second because it has gone a little bit on my waterline. Okay, so then I'm going to take the lighter green and just go more in the inner part of my eye, and also blend in that dark shade out a little bit and into the top part of my eye. Now I'm just going back into the yellow pigment and just placing that back on the waterline like so. I think I'm gonna drag it and put it in the inner corner as well from the upper part of the eye, trying not to get the pigment everywhere. Okay, so I am going to go off camera and do my eyelashes. So I'm going to just put some mascara on there, and then I'm going to use the Tattoo Lashes in TL6. So I'll be right back. Okay, eyelashes are on. Now I'm going to do lips. So the lip combo I have today is the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in BFF2, then the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in Mannequin, and then to top it off I have the P. Louise Holler Gloss. So let's apply this. Okay, so I've decided not to apply the gloss. I think it just looks nice like as it is. So yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this neon yellow greeny look. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, go over to my Instagram page where you'll see the makeup look, like photo close-up of this look, and go follow me over there. That's where I mainly to answer questions and stuff. Let me know if you are liking my neon series at the moment. I have only done 2, this is my second one, but let me know down below. Yeah, I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.